Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best Bluetooth shower speakers available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best Bluetooth shower speakers, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Soundbot SB510 HD Bluetooth Shower Speaker. Designed specifically for use in wet environments. It features a suction cup on the back that allows it to be easily mounted on any smooth surface, such as the walls of your shower or bathroom. The speaker is also equipped with a built-in microphone, which allows you to take calls hands-free while you're in the shower. High-efficiency and eco-friendly advanced Bluetooth wireless technology that is forward/backward compatible to all Bluetooth-enabled media player devices such as smartphones, iPhone, iPad, iPod, Mac, MacBook, Android, tablet, laptop, desktop, PC, MP3 players and much more. Number 2. The Marshall Emberton. A compact and portable Bluetooth speaker that packs a punch with its powerful sound and sleek design. This speaker is designed to be durable and waterproof, making it a great choice for those who like to take their music on the go. Emberton is a compact portable speaker with the loud and vibrant sound only Marshall can deliver. Emberton utilizes true stereophonic, a unique form of multi-directional sound from Marshall. Experience absolute 360-degree sound where every spot is a sweet spot. With 20+ hours of playtime, you can enjoy the superior sound of Marshall for hours on end. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, this lightweight speaker is tough and resilient, boasting an extremely durable and easy-to-use design that make it a must for any occasion. Its IPX7 water resistance rating means you can submerge Emberton in 3 feet of water for a period of up to 30 minutes. A solid metal grille and the iconic Marshall script adorn the front of the speaker, echoing the legacy of rock and roll that you know and love. Number 3. JBL Clip 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. This speaker is a convenient and versatile device that can be easily attached to your shower head, curtain rod, or other surfaces using the built-in carabiner. This allows you to keep your phone or other device safely away from the water while still enjoying your favorite music or podcasts while you shower. Like no other, the JBL Clip 3 is a unique ultra-portable, ultra-rugged and waterproof Bluetooth speaker that is small in size but with surprisingly big sound. The upgraded durable and fully integrated carabiner clips to your clothes, belt loop or backpack, making the Clip 3 your outdoor companion on every adventure. The Clip 3 is IPX7 waterproof and offers 10 hours of playtime, powered by a 1000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery, allowing you to bring your music with you. A built-in noise and echo-canceling speakerphone gives you crystal-clear calls with the press of a button. Number 4. Sony Extra Bass Waterproof Speaker. A high-quality Bluetooth speaker that is designed to be used in wet environments such as the shower, pool, or beach. It's built with durable and waterproof materials, making it a great option for outdoor adventures or listening to music in the shower. Go anywhere with full, crisp sound in a lightweight, stylish design. The XB23 is IP67 waterproof, rustproof, dustproof and shockproof, with up to 12 hours of battery life, so your music never gets left behind. Keep the good times going with super efficient USB-C charging, and control sound settings with the Sony Music Center app. Number 5. Sonos Roam. Sonos, a leading brand in home audio systems, recently launched its first genuinely portable and waterproof Bluetooth speaker, and it's an impressive device. If you're already familiar with the Sonos ecosystem, you'll know their products are of high quality, and this speaker is no exception. Enjoy up to 10 hours of astonishing sound with this portable speaker. Stream music and more over Wi-Fi at home and listen on the go with Bluetooth. Easily control the sound with the Sonos app, your voice, and Apple AirPlay too. Number 6. Kohler Moxie Bluetooth Speaker Showerhead. The Kohler Moxie Bluetooth Speaker Showerhead is a unique and innovative device that combines a high-quality showerhead with a powerful Bluetooth speaker. It's designed to be both functional and stylish, providing an immersive showering experience while also delivering high-fidelity sound quality. The speaker is produced in partnership with Harman Kardon, a well-known manufacturer of high-end audio equipment, ensuring that the sound quality is of the highest standard. The speaker can be easily paired with your Bluetooth-enabled device, allowing you to stream your favorite music or podcasts while you shower. Number 7. JBL Go 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Go 3 is a versatile portable speaker that offers Bluetooth connectivity for wireless audio streaming from your smartphone, tablet, or other compatible devices. With its built-in loop, you can easily carry it around wherever you go. Its IP67 rating ensures that it is waterproof and dustproof, making it perfect for use at the beach, park, pool, and of course, in the shower without any worry of damage. JBL Go 3 Portable Mini Bluetooth Speaker features bold styling and rich JBL Pro sound. With its new eye-catching edgy design, colorful fabrics and expressive details, this is a must-have speaker for your next outing. Your tunes will lift you up with big audio and punchy bass. It's IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so you can keep listening at the pool, park, or in the shower. With its integrated loop, you can carry it anywhere. Go 3 comes in completely new shades and color combinations inspired by current street fashion. JBL Go 3 Portable Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Rich JBL Original Pro Sound Ultra Portable Design. 5 hours of playtime wireless Bluetooth streaming. IPX67 waterproof and dustproof.